Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Celly Earbuds, full guide. Turn on the earbuds, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and select Celly from the device list. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding the power button for 10 seconds and retry pairing. Place earbuds close to the phone and ensure no other devices are interfering. Once connected, test audio and adjust volume to a comfortable level. To pair manually, open Bluetooth settings on your device and tap Pair New Device or Add Device to start scanning. Put both earbuds into pairing mode by holding their buttons until the LED flashes alternating colors. Select Celly in the list and accept any pairing prompts. Wait for the confirmation tone before playing audio. If your phone asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234 and retry pairing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with earbuds for richer sound and hands-free control. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one that fits your setup. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Common fixes include fully charging both earbuds and restarting your phone before attempting to pair again. Delete Celly from your device's Bluetooth list and perform a factory reset on the earbuds if they repeatedly fail to pair. Move to a quieter area to avoid interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices, and try pairing with another phone to isolate the issue before contacting support. Also check for firmware updates using the manufacturer's app if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.